Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. Continuing with our team-based building featuring the Shi'ars. Let's go! Okay, so we have here another super booster from Wolverine and the X-Men set. And this will be, I think, part 4 of our series of team-based building. As I said in previous video, I entered Heroclix after the Wolverine and the X-Men set. So I was not able to get a chance to build the team bases. Okay, but I know how appealing they are. Okay, more so because I already have all of them. But it's a different feeling when you build your own team base. So let's go ahead and do that for our Shi'ar Imperial Guard team base over here. Okay, and as you can see, we have here the throne, I guess, and we have 3 characters. We have Manta, okay, we have Hussar, and of course the primary guard, the Gladiator. Okay, so let's also take out the team base, and we can see here in a moment that aside from the 3 included in the super booster, we still need quite a few of the Imperial Guard soldiers. If I can take it out, there you go. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slots to place, and we only have 3 Hellfire Guards. So that means we're missing 4, and luckily we're able to hunt down the 4. Okay, so these 3 are easy to hunt. The hardest is the super rare War Star. I had to purchase this last. Okay, because I was hoping to really get it locally, but I gave up and went to eBay. So anyway, let's take a look at the cards. We're not gonna read all of them. Okay, they are Imperial Guard and Shi'ar, Starbolt, Oracle, War Star, and Smasher. Okay, and the one included in the Super Booster cards are the 3 Gladiator, Manta, and Hussar. Okay. Please correct me in the comments. And another card, which is the Shi'ar Imperial Guard card. Okay, so you can read all the rules here if you want to pause the video. But we can see here on the one of the pages how the team base will look like. The epicness of the Shi'ar Guard team base. So let's go ahead and build the team base. Let's starting off with Gladiator. So you have to be very careful popping them out of the base. This is what we call the switch clicks, because you can pop and switch out the figures. Okay, be careful. And then put him on the team base. He goes straight in the middle. So Imperial Guard, Gladiator in the middle. There you go. So just wait for it to snap. Don't force it. Okay. Manta is next. Okay. He comes off nicely. And Manta would be here at the back. If I'm not mistaken, Manta is the psychic in the group. We go with Hussar. And she goes on the left side. Okay, she has a whip. So that means she must be a mid-range fighter. and I cannot snap it. Oops. Be careful. Oops. Doesn't want to get in there. Oops. Okay, that's fine, that's fine. That would do. The next one we have Smasher. Okay. Smasher likes to smash things. She goes in front. He goes in front, rather. I say she because I think in the recent X-Men comics, the mantle has been passed down to perhaps her daughter, his daughter. Okay, this is Smasher. She doesn't want to snap. Hi. It doesn't want. Be careful. Maybe Gladiator should come in last. Okay, so we can, you know. Is this how you felt, guys, when you were building these team bases before? The frustration, the temptation to just jam it in there. We have Starbolt. Okay. The fire guy, flying guy. Okay, should be at the back. Okay. And then we have Oracle. Oracle is the psychic one. Okay. If not psychic, a precog perhaps, as the name suggests. Okay. So the Imperial Guard are in charge of protecting the Majestrix, Lilandra, and of course her daughter as well. The last one is Warstar with, is this Binny? Let's see. Warstar, yeah. Binny free. So Binny at his back. Okay, so this is a good sculpt. They've implemented a lot of this in the House of X and Rise and Fall set. Okay, so there's a main character and a small character on his or her shoulder, like Jubilee and the baby, and of course Chod and Sikorsky of the Starjammers. Okay, let's see. Let's snap him. There you go. So we have it. We are done with the Imperial Guard. Take a look at that display piece. Even if you don't play Heroclix, you've got to appreciate the beauty of the sculpt. Okay, such a great display piece, guys, for your collection. So let's go ahead, wrap this video up to infinity and beyond.